unboxing a Mozilla wireless speaker model SC214. Welcome to Arvin's World. Today I am unboxing a Mozilla wireless speaker model SC214.
Yeah, we have purchased it from Amazon and it is costing around 999.
Yeah.
So we are giving the buying link in the description. So if you want to buy this Bluetooth speaker, you can click on the link. It is newly launched by Mozilla. So let's unbox it and let's have a demo. And we will connect it with our mobile and we will see the quality of the sound, and also we will demonstrate how to charge and how to use in your home.
Yeah.
So let's unbox it first then. Let's unbox it. Before unboxing, just a few points I want to show you. First you see the speaker, the name of the company, the speaker model number, everything is written over here, and you can see over here it is made in China. And if I go to this, here is the specification. So in the specification it has written BT version, matlab Bluetooth version is 5.0, output power is 8 watt, so the speaker output is 8 watt. Operating distance, so it will connect with Bluetooth device which is around 15 meter of radius. Input power is 5 volt 0.5 ampere. So we need to recharge it, and we will show you how to recharge. It has a battery of 3.7 volt, 800 mAh capacity. Working hour, it can work up to 8 hours. Charging time 2.5 hours, so you need around 2.5 hours to charge. And frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kilowatts.
We don't know it has already charged or not.
Yeah, so when you are connecting with your Bluetooth, so with this frequency range, it can be connected with your Bluetooth. So now if you see here, the price is written over here is 2999 Indian rupees, but we got it around 999 only. So you can buy it from Amazon. Now let's unbox it.
Yeah, very easy. See, there is the USB cable.
Yeah, so this is the charging cable, I believe.
Let's take it out.
Yeah, let's take it out.
First we will show this, then we will show the USB cable.
Okay.
There's the instructions manual.
Yeah, so you can see this is the instruction manual, and I believe it is a multilingual. So it is in English and other international language also. We will demonstrate it later. So this is the beautiful
black speaker.
Yeah, Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, it's look really amazing and it's look premier also. I believe it can beat any premium quality or premium branded. Yeah, it's looking very good.
It is
Mozilla. So
there are place it like this.
I don't think
like
maybe like this also. So we'll demonstrate it, no problem. And in the bottom side you can see there is sorry, you can take this like that way. I think this is the power button,
volume plus minus and mode.
Okay, so and you can see here this model number and made in China, and the input voltage, everything is written. So I think inside of this there will be some more connectivity option. You just open it.
Yeah, just wait. See, it is opening, and this also I think it will open. This is This is a USB,
so
and
you
SD
see
card.
inside of that. So there are 3 connectivity. If I able to see you,
yeah.
So you can put USB. You can put TF card, means the micro SD card, and also you can see there is I think a micro USB option.
Yeah.
So I think by this you can charge, and take this like that. So there are multi connectivity. So Bluetooth connectivity is there, USB connectivity is there, TF connectivity and micro USB. So
Yeah.
let it power on.
Yeah, we have to press and hold this, the power button. See, there is a blue.
LED is coming. This blue LED is coming,
It is saying something.
and it is also saying ki power on. So it got the power on, and now you can increase the volume rocker by plus and minus. So
It means it has full volume.
okay. So now we will connect it with my mobile and we will play a song and we will understand how the quality is.
Yeah.
Let's tell me the manual. So you can see it is a multilingual manual. So it is in English and you can see the other versions also.
Yeah.
I don't know Ducci version or what Spanish, French or Italian version are there. So if you want to download the manual from online, you can scan this one and download. And key and functions, so what are the key and what are the function is written over here very clearly.
Just wait,
So
let
just
let it
gone through it. So I will update the scan copy of this manual in the description so that you can have a look on that. So it has three mode, functional mode. You can see one is TWS mode, one is Bluetooth mode, and one is TF card or USB mode. So TWS mode is just pairing with other Bluetooth speakers so that both can work in tandem or in stereo mode. Bluetooth mode we already demonstrated. TF card mode and USB mode, just you need to put a USB or TF card and it will start playing.
Yeah.
So you can see the specification is also given over here, and these are the others language. It's Italian, French and Spanish,
We don't
etc.
know that much languages.
Yeah, let's charge it and we will demonstrate how to charge. So let's go for charging. So for charging we are using a just phone charger, mobile phone charger. Okay, so
Vivo charger.
okay, so we have connected it already. So now you have to connect.
Where is it? Here is it.
Yeah.
See this? The micro USB slot.
Yeah.
Just put it like this. Indication. Yeah, there is.
Yeah, so you can see there is a charging indication. It means the charge is going on. So let it charge fully, and then we will experience how
After
the
2
quality.
to 5 hours.
Yeah, so this is the charging procedure. It's very easy and very convenient. So you can charge it very easily with your mobile phone charger. So let it charged. Let it charge properly. So my wireless speaker is fully charged. Now I need to pair it with my mobile. So for that, in my mobile I need to scan for the device, and as soon as it will be paired automatically.
Yeah. So it is silent. Here is.
Yeah.
SC214.
Yeah. So let connect. Okay.
Connecting. See,
So
there is
connecting.
sound.
So the sound has come. That
And
means it
there's
is
a volume
connecting. Yeah.
indication.
So volume indication is also there. So let's play a song.
Please check that video also.
Yeah, quality is, I think it's very good. So just let it play this one. This is Arvind's.
We will check the USB mode also.
Hi guys, welcome to Arvind's World. Today I am playing Diaries.
So that's all.
The sound is coming from here.
Yeah.